I wanted to share a quick look at this National Geographic Ultimate Volcano Kit because it was a birthday gift for my son and he was so excited to do this one. From the moment we opened it, he couldn't wait to get started. I love that this kit comes with everything you need to make the volcano erupt, but once the materials are used, you can continue making more volcano eruptions using vinegar and baking soda from home. The volcano mold was easy to put together in order to make the plaster volcano. It does take 1 to 2 days to dry unless you want to bake it. We waited the full 2 days, and after it was dried, my son really enjoyed painting it with the provided paint to make it look like the volcano that he envisioned in his mind. The eruptions were definitely the highlight though. This kit comes with a lot of eruption powder, so you can do multiple eruptions, which he loved. The pop crystals were such a fun addition too because they add sound, and that made the whole experiment even more exciting for him. I also really like that the kit includes real volcanic rocks like pumice and a geode. He was so interested in looking at them and learning how they're formed, and the learning guide does a great job of explaining everything in a way that kids can understand. This felt like the perfect mix of fun and learning. He was having a blast, but at the same time he was learning about chemistry, geology, and how volcanoes work. It ended up being such a fun, memorable experience for us, and it's a great STEM kit for kids who really enjoy hands-on science activities.